Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today I'm making caramel pudding. You can treat your kids or you can treat yourself with this amazing dessert. It tastes amazing. It just melts in your mouth. So without further ado, let's get started. Now let's begin with the first step where I'll be boiling the milk. Here I've taken less than a cup of milk, which is around 200 ml, in which I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now in a separate bowl I've taken 1 whole egg. I'll add in a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now in the meanwhile I'll just check the milk. The milk is boiling. I'll turn off the flame and now let's start whisking the egg. Just make sure that you whisk the egg thoroughly. Now here the vanilla essence plays an important role in killing the smell of the egg. Now let's prepare the caramel. Now for which in a bowl I've taken 2 tablespoons of sugar, in which I'll add in 1.5 tablespoon of water. Now we'll let this heat on low flame until this gets brown. Slowly you will see the bubbles forming, and after that you will see this getting brown. Once it turns brown, just make sure that you turn off the flame and just shake it a little. You will see the bubbles will start settling down. And that's it, your caramel is ready. And now before it cools down, I will transfer it into the vessel in which I'll be preparing the pudding. Now very carefully I'll spread the caramel all around because it's hot. And now in the whisked egg, I'll be adding in the hot milk and we'll just mix it all together. And I will transfer it into the pudding vessel. And now with the help of an aluminum foil, I will seal it properly. And then comes the final step of cooking it. So I'll cook it in a pressure cooker. And I'll pressure cook this until 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, I will let it cool down. And then we'll open it. Our caramel pudding is ready. Now the last step is to refrigerate it for around 2 to 3 hours until it's set. After you refrigerate it, carefully open it. And then you can just slightly cut the edges. And then we will flip it into the serving bowl. And that's it. Our caramel pudding is ready. Look at this. It looks amazing. Can you see this jelly texture? I really can't wait to eat it. I'll just take a bite. Wow, this looks amazing. Delicious. Alright guys, that's it. It was that simple to make this caramel pudding. Let me know how you like this video and how you like the recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. And do try this caramel pudding at home yourself. Share this video with your friends and family. And till then, I will see you next time with a new video with a new recipe. My name is Stan. Bye-bye.